Welcome to Umeå, home to our cutting-edge biomanufacturing plant for GMP production of biologics, located in northern Sweden. Spanning 24,000 square feet, our facility is designed to meet the rigorous demands of the pharmaceutical industry. Let's take a closer look into our state-of-the-art facility. Our team of professionals specializes in custom solutions for drug development, laboratory analysis, and GMP manufacturing, covering every stage from project management to quality assurance of drug substance. From cell culture to protein purification, we have the expertise to tackle even the most complex challenges. At the core of our operations lays the Flex Factory system by Sativa, a versatile solution that enhances efficiency and scalability in manufacturing processes. Equipped with first-in-class technology, including clean rooms, advanced instrumentation, and laboratory facilities, we ensure strict adherence to quality standards throughout the manufacturing process. From small-scale experimentation to large-scale production, we're dedicated to turning visions into reality. Welcome to our top biomanufacturing facility.